Working in technology, I think, has, for me, provided a lot of freedom and flexibility in my role. Your job has so much bearing over like how you feel and how you are in your everyday life. I think that working in a company that has that flexibility has just completely changed how I feel on a day-to-day basis.
I think I'm really blessed with software engineering where the work is very flexible and you can kind of set your own hours.
I think the best part is just the flexibility with my job and being able to work from home and being able to work from any part of the USA. I've traveled multiple times and I've been able to just pick up my computer and go to work and still be on vacation. So I think the flexibility is really great, and I also think that's something IT and anything technology related pretty much always offers.
My work is hybrid. That means I work 2 days in office and 3 days at home.
So I actually work remotely. We do have an office in New York City. I usually go maybe like once a week. It's not hybrid, so there's no pressure there. But I sometimes do like going to the office just for a different vibe, just so that I can see my coworkers.
I work at home nearly every day. I don't have to go into the office ever, so yeah, my day usually starts with, walking my dog and making breakfast.
I usually wake up and make myself an avocado toast, and then I get to the gym because I gotta feel good. But then I start work around 10, and as a software engineer, our job is very flexible. You kind of can start it whenever, as long as you get the job done.
And I think in general with software engineering, there is a lot of flexibility, and you can start your day later and end your day later if you want, as long as you're putting in the time getting your tasks done. And I'm lucky that my company has a private bus. It picks up right outside my apartment. So I'll wake up by 8, get on the bus by 9. I start work on the bus. I work until maybe 4:30, end work on the bus, and get home. So my commute time is effectively 0 because I'm working on the bus, and we have the magic of hotspot where you can connect to Wi-Fi wherever you are. So that's been really nice.
I was very bound to a schedule, but now I have basically the entire day available to me, and I can sort of schedule the meetings however I want. And that gives me time to do a lot of other things. Like, for example, I have to go to the gym, or I have to have some sort of like physical meditation type activity in the morning just to get my day started. And I couldn't do that before, but now, being where I am with tech, I can, which is great. And it also gives me opportunity to do other things. Like I work in music full time, so I do travel with bands on the road, and we use all kinds of different tools out there, but having that freedom of being able to travel and like have a Zoom call from a tour bus or from a hotel room over in Europe or something, like just having that flexibility and freedom. I mean, I couldn't have done that when I was at Amazon and with my previous, work.
The flexibility of working remotely, it really allows me to live other parts of my life to the fullest potential.
Yeah, I just love taking on new creative hobbies and being able to do something away from a screen for a little bit.
Many people will have the stereotypes of like software engineer or like computer science students or like tech students. They're nerds, they're only like code in the morning and before they go to bed, they code all the time. But I would say I'm a more like a versatile person. I do a lot of things. I'm a musician, I create arts.
I spend my free time traveling a lot, and as a byproduct, I really love to take photographs of those countries. I love photography.
I love going to different workout classes. I have a dog, so I love taking him on walks through Central Park.
I like to create music. I'm a music producer.
I go to the driving range in the summer, winter time, and I love to sing karaoke.
I try just to read and to play some football. But even though when I read, I find myself just reading about technology, actually.
Working in tech has allowed me to move to my dream city, have an apartment that is fully customized to like what I want it to be, to have enough time to be able to go out with my friends, have a pretty good amount of work-life balance. So I feel like everything is just coming into place just as I envisioned it when I was 13 years old because of tech.
Technology has allowed me to share my passion and allow me to explore so much and to touch so many people and to do so many things and express myself.
Having that such nice work-life balance and being able to have that impact on hundreds to millions of people, it really, keeps you in it.